that? That is absolutely delicious. Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making a crab ball poor boy sandwich. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to start making our crab balls. So what you're going to need some breadcrumbs, some Worcestershire sauce, some lemon juice. You can use a fresh lemon if you want. Mayonnaise, yellow mustard, a green bell pepper. We're going to use just a piece of this, so that's all we're going to use. Some eggs, 2 eggs. I have some crab meat here. This is colossal, and this is jumbo. And let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to chop up our veggies. That's all you're going to need. And we're going to cut these relatively small. We want them to cook up in our deep fryer. Really small. Now I know in other videos I showed y'all guys how to chop them, but I just want to let y'all know this is what we're doing. That's what you want. Just a small piece. We're going to use the rest of that onion. We're going to saute it up because I want fried onions on mine. We're going to go on top and just cut on. Then we're going to make beautiful slits. Just like so. Then we slices all through so we can get in and get our onion. So again, this is the size we want. Some Old Bay, some black pepper, some garlic powder. This is Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. Half a cup of mayo. About a teaspoon and a half of yellow mustard. We're going to crack 2 eggs. And we're going to go in with our peppers and onions, lemon juice. You're going to use a teaspoon of lemon juice, not a lot. This gives it that umami flavor, this Worcestershire sauce. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of this as well. Going in with a little Old Bay, a tablespoon of Old Bay onion powder. And the reason we're not using salt because that Old Bay is salty. Half a tablespoon, Mrs. Dash. Okay. Teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. A teaspoon of black pepper. Combine. So this is the crab meat. So now we're gonna go in. Crab meat. Now we're gonna go in. Breadcrumbs. So about a cup of breadcrumbs. Alright, so we're gonna roll these in the balls, get them into the fridge, and when we come back, we're gonna go over to the deep fryer. Now to make crab balls. You're gonna let this sit up in the fridge, and it's very important that they go into the refrigerator to set up. Now the sub roll, or holy roll, or whatever you guys call it, is only going to hold 4 of these. 21, guys. And they been in the refrigerator for like an hour and 30 minutes. Right. 8 at a time. And just let them cook up. And when they're finished cooking, we're going to come back. We're going to take this out. Look at those. Those are absolutely beautiful crab balls. And now we're going to go over and we're going to make our po' boy. Alright, so let's build that sub, or our po' boy. So I have some Shelly seafood sauce here. It's a mayonnaise base. I actually show you how to make it in my chopped salmon video. So go check that video out. So I smeared that on. And we're going to go in with a little lettuce, not a lot. Then some tomatoes. Now let's go in with some of these fried onion. And now we're gonna go in there. And then you just take some more and just add it right on top. Just like so. Look at that. Can you believe that? That is absolutely delicious. Absolutely amazing. Y'all guys gotta try this sandwich out. Give it a try, guys. I'm gonna go in. Look at that. Bite in there. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.